In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to view the recipe that can be included on a button. We'll start by clicking on this tab. Looking at the drink list, you'll see the Appletini on the third row. Clicking on these buttons adds it to the table, but holding down will activate the recipe list. This simulates a right-click on a non-touchscreen monitor. With the list, we have several features. The various items used to make the drink, which we can individually designate as ingredients as they're added, printing the recipe with the middle print button, and finally, adding to the bill on the right. After we're finished, we can add the drinks to the tab. Make sure to tune in and check out some of our other videos at definitivesynergy.com.